Hello everyone and welcome back. We're here today to show you the Sedgwick MBS spiral planer thicknesser. Now this monster has got huge 1.5 meter cast iron in-feed and out-feed tables. You've got a spiral planer block. There is a 230 millimeter thicknessing capacity. You've got 308 millimeter planing capacity. It's got a 3 kilowatt motor and up to 7 meters a minute in the in-feed speeds. But we're going to take you in for a closer look and show you how it works. So along the top of the machine, you've got the surfacing table, and on this side here, you've got the rib fence, which supports your timber as you're pushing it through, also aids in squaring your timber up. If you undo this handle and adjust this knob here, you can adjust the rib fence along the cutter block to accept whatever width material you're putting through, and you can lock it back off. You've also got this handle here. If you undo that, you can also tip the fence to whatever degree angle you require your material to go through. And on this side of the surfacing table, you have the bridge guard. This is adjustable in height and depth. The idea is to have as small a gap as possible between timber and the block. So then on this side of the table, you've got your scale here, which shows you how much you are removing on the surfacing function. And then at the end of the table, you've got your adjustment handle, and it's quite easy enough to turn this to remove as much as you want in one pass. So from here you can see the spiral block. So you have got 51 teeth, which have 4 uses out of each one. The idea of the spiral block is you're reducing the air gap between the blade and the next one behind it. This reduces machine marks, meaning there's less sanding. It makes it easier to cut the material, so the machine is under less stress. You also get a torque wrench with the machine, which means you can set these up correctly with the correct pressure every single time. Up on here you can see you've got a mount for your shore guard, which means you can attach the shore guard that comes with this machine, which gives you pressure along your workpiece as you're pushing it through without having to get your hands anywhere near the block. You've also got this slip, which can be adjusted up and down if you are machining thin pieces. So down on the front of the machine here, you can see you've got your adjustment handle for the height thicknessing table. On the back end of the machine, you have also got the locking handle, which tightens the thicknessing table up, so we'll leave that loose. You've got a mechanical dial on the front here, which goes down to 1/10 of a millimeter. And as the same as the surfacing table, you can adjust that to remove as much material as you want in one go. You can also see on the front edge of the machine here, you've got the controls. So it's a very simple machine to use. You've got an emergency stop. You have the switch here for the release of the brake. You've got the start and stop buttons, and also the feed speed for your feed wheels. So now we're going to set the machine up to run a piece of material through so you can see exactly what it can do. there you have it. That is the Sedgwick MBS spiral planer thicknesser. If you would like to come and see one, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Look forward to seeing you again soon.